Hello, I'm Luisek and today I will show you guys how to do RAM and GPU upgrade on the Wordpress server, and also here is Kakor what will show you guys how to do hardware part of this project.
Hello there, in the second episode. Today on my hardware part we will be upgrading server with graphics card and additional RAM sticks. So let's get started. Okay, we have here a PCI slot for our GPU and 2 free additional RAM slots here. We will be using HyperX DDR4 RAM with 8 gigs of memory each, and for our GPU we will use GTX 1060 with 3 GB of memory from Gigabyte. As we can see, it fits nicely in there. Yeah. All we need to do is to screw it to the case. And there it goes, the power supply cable. Nice. And now our memory. We need to make sure that those 2 clips are put in the unlocked position, and we need to put our RAM now until we hit a sweet click. And now the second one. That was good. All is left is to connect our display cable to the graphics card and start the system. Second part will be done by my dear friend Luisek.
And from dashboard you can go to the tools, state of your website right there. Wait some time, it could take. If you have not that powerful machine you can wait some time, but go to the information right there and check your server, and you have limitation of memory of PHP, it's 4K, and you check there, that's labeled, you have this type and max memory limit. This you want to change in the configuration file. So next you must connect to your server by PuTTY or else program. Type like IM3, and you have your system memory in megabytes, so you can open file. This is URL for this file. You maybe use first sudo, type your password, and you can go to the bottom, and there it is, VP memory limit, and you change the value you want. That's maybe okay. Let's be okay, because we must just leave some free RAM to the work of system. We could Control O to enter, and Control X, and that's where we could go to the website, refresh, and check it out. It's changed, and this label is also changed. To edit second file, types B and main folder of system, that you put some CD and dots, and you in the main folder, then type etc cd page tap, type ls to check your version, cd that folder, that's type ls, go to the a page 2, type ls, and you have your configuration file phtp.ini. Go to it, edit by type sudo nano phtp.ini, and you have file you want to edit, and to find, type Ctrl W on your keyboard, search memory, and you have right there memory limit. You want to change, but not for the full, because we want to only change some more, because we have a lot of RAM that's upgrade from 4 gigs to the 20 gigs, not the full capacity of this RAM used here. Maybe 1 gig that'll be enough. And Ctrl O, enter, Ctrl X, and that's good. We could type sudo systemctl reload apache 2 to restart or reload your server to apply changes, and you will go to the website. You can refresh again and check in there that WP max memory limit is increased, and our max memory and default memory is increased, so it's a good upgrade for this website. It's smoother, and more users can use it in the same time. So if this guide was helpful, give a like up and subscribe this channel, and see you guys very soon.
Hey, it's me again. I hope you like it, and see you